In this video, I'm going to show my Fujifilm XT2 and Fujifilm X100F camera bag kits. For the X100F, I carry it in a Think Tank. What is this? Mirrorless Mover 20. Really love this bag. It's the size of a small purse. Very thin strap. You have a magnetic flap here with the magnets on each side. And once you open it, you get into the main compartment. And in this compartment, I have my SD cards that I store up here. This is an opening, but it's sealed with Velcro, so it doesn't really slip out. And here's the Fujifilm X100F. Then I have a charger with an extra battery. And then another battery in here. And then on the side compartment, I have a lens hood if I ever needed it. I have a 3.5 to 2.5 millimeter audio cable if I want to record audio, because the mic jack on the X100F is a 2.5. And then here is this waterproof covering that covers the entire bag if it's raining. And there you go. Now here's my Fujifilm XT2 kit. This is a Low Pro, what is this? Low Pro Slingshot 200 AW. This is a pretty old bag. This is one of the first bags I ever bought. I really love this. This is a slingshot style bag, and I really like this kind of a style to wear. You have this really nice strap here. It's got a lot of padding, a lot of cushion. Okay, so the main compartment, like so. And you can also open it partial and then only have this part open and then take the camera out like that. But in this case, I'll open the whole thing up. Up here, I have some batteries, but I could also put SD cards. And here's all my Fujifilm XT2 gear. So I have a Peak Design strap. This isn't the thickest one. This is like the second thickest one, I think, that they make. Here's my Fujifilm XT2 with the Peak Design anchors. And then I have a Fujifilm XT2 grip that I always shoot with. And inside the grip, I think I already have it loaded. Yep, it's already loaded with batteries. And I don't have a lot of lenses with the XT2. I have the 18 to 135 that I rarely ever use. I think I got it because I wanted something that was had a long telephoto reach, and I didn't want to pay for that 55 to like 250 version. I wanted also another all-purpose lens to say if I was traveling, to just have this on the camera body, and then I could just have a very versatile zoom range. But I ended up just not ever using this. I might sell this soon. And then my main lens is the 56 1.2. This is an absolute stellar lens. I recommend everyone with an XT2 have this if you don't already have this. This is my bread and butter. Whenever I shoot with the XT2, I always bring this with me, or it's on the camera. Then I have a 14mm 2.8. This is my second favorite lens. And my last lens is a 35 2.0. This one I use on occasion, but I don't use it as much as the 56 and the 14. But this is a good medium. I think this is like a 50mm equivalent. What I didn't realize is over here it has this lens wipe built in. Right here. So it's like a microfiber cloth. That's really nice. Okay, then on this compartment, I have a few things. I have SD cards. This is a Pelican case. I have a third-party Watson battery charger. Oh, another SD card just hanging around. I have the flash that the XT2 comes with, external flash. I have another SD card holder. And then this is a power cable to power the camera when it's on with the battery grip. I think that's it. Oh no, I got a few things. I got some lens cleaner. And I got some wipes, lens wipes. And then on the top compartment up here, I think I have, oh no, I have nothing. But there's extra pockets here where you can have other accessories. So I really like this Low Pro slingshot bag. I highly recommend it. As you can see, all of the stuff I could fit in here. I could probably fit a few more things in here as well. absolutely perfect for the Fujifilm X-T2.